How to fix Arc Raiders ARMR0002 error. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. The first method you can try is disable Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6. For this, right click on Start, select Run, type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Right click on your running network adapter and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6 and uncheck it. Click on OK. Close the control panel window. Then restart your computer. After restarting, launch the Arc Raiders game. The issue should be fixed. If the issue still persists, verify the integrity of the game file. Open the Steam launcher. Find Arc Raiders in the install list under the library tab. Suppose this is Arc Raiders. Then right click on this game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let the verification complete. Once done, launch the game and see if the error is fixed. Last but not the least, check the server status of Arc Raiders. Launch a browser. Type Arc Raiders server status. Press enter. Check the Reddit page. Check on Twitter or different social media platforms. See if any update about the server status on Reddit. If server is facing outage, then the company often notify through tweets. If the server is down, wait until the server is repaired and it becomes online. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.